So the other day, I saw on Facebook article about these chicken that you can buy at Sam's Club. That's supposed to taste just like Chick-fil-A's chicken. So we're going to give it a try. Welcome back to my channel. I am Boogs, and this is my world. What are the instructions? Okay. Preheat oven to 375. Ooh. Okay. Let's go. Bake. And temp 375. Start. Give that a few minutes to heat up. Got our bacon sheet here. Let's get some aluminum foil here. Okay. Let's try to open this up here. I hope that's a pretty good, decent view. Let's see here. There we go. Okay. Got some chicken. Looks like some chicken nuggets. Let's get quite a few on here. Try them out. So, it's 12 to 14 minutes. So yeah. So yeah, the oven should be heated up here in a few minutes. And we're going to pop them in. And when they're done, we'll give them a taste and see if they taste just like Chick-fil-A chicken. I hope so. That'd be good to have it on Sundays. Alrighty. Alright. We'll be back in about 12 to 14 minutes. They look good. Almost look like Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets a little bit. So I guess we're going to give it a little try. Let's see how they taste. Let them cool. I think I'm going to let them cool down for a minute real quick. Let's close that up. It does taste like Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets a bit. Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
Come here.
What?
Hey, try one of these chicken nuggets.
Where are they from?
From Sam's Club.
Oh.
We bought them yesterday.
I thought you said something about Chick-fil-A. I thought that Chick-fil-A ain't open today.
Yeah. So how's it?
Hot.
Just came out of the oven.
Oh. Are you sure Chick-fil-A's closed today? Wow. Finger looking good?
Yeah.
Oh, wrong store.
Yeah, wrong store.
Still. You sure Chick-fil-A's closed on Sundays? Not no more.
Yeah. Yeah, well, looks like this is a pretty good Chick-fil-A substitute if you want Chick-fil-A on Sundays. Go to Sam's Club to get this. Hey! No. Southern style chicken bites. It's pretty good. Trying to steal the chicken nuggets here, I see.
Since you got me on video, I better put it back.
Yeah, you better put it back. But yeah. So, they're good. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. If you haven't become a subscriber yet, come on, subscribe. Hit that bell notification. Stay informed every time I upload. Until next time I see you, peace out.